Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is secured with bolts which must first be removed. We can now access the boost sensor. Remove the boost connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back on the connector. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Then connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Remove the map connector by first pulling back the locking tab, then pushing down on its releasing tab and pulling back the connector. Connect our map sensor plug to the map sensor. Then connect the factory map connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect the unit to the wiring loom. Then place the unit in the supplied protective bag. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring loom with the cable ties provided. Route the unit and harness away from direct heat and moving parts. Replace the engine cover and any removed bolts.